Pakistan and Turkey signed the MİLGEMcorvette contract on September 6, 2018, to construct 4 ships for the Pakistani naval forces. The construction of Pakistan Navy's Babur-class vessels continues at full speed. In this context, the main naval gun assembly of one of the 4 ships built by ASFAT is completed. The Otto Melara 76/60 of a mm main naval gun is recently installed on the PNS Babur F-280. Emre Kore Gensisoy, director of ASFAT Marine Programs, announced the development on his LinkedIn account by giving the following information about the process. The main naval gun assembly of PNS Babur has been completed. While making these plans in 2020, this was a distant goal. Today, we have reached this goal. The main underdeck assembly works have been completed to a large extent, and the bridge, mast, and equipment installation activities on the operations center and port acceptance tests continue. The dock activities of PNS Khyber continue unabated. The engines and the main equipment are on the ship, and the works on the main propulsion system are proceeding according to the schedule. The port will probably have started acceptance tests ahead of the targeted date. PNS Tariq, the last ship of the project, which is under production in Karachi, is preparing to launch within the schedule. Despite all the difficulties, we are happy with the point it has reached. Quote, according to the timetable, PNS Babur will be delivered to the Pakistani Navy in August 2023 and PNS Khyber in August 2024.